Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to disable a keyboard auto replace function in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So where to look for our keyboard functions? First we need to open settings. Then in settings we are looking for general management options menu. Next we need to open Samsung keyboard settings. And then here we have our auto replace menu. When we open it, at the top we have short explanation, what does this function do, and here at the right we have our switch. So right now this function has been disabled. It's a simple on or off switch, there are no other hidden options or other menus. So the function has been turned off. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.